Welcome back. Today, Rinley is going to be dyeing my hair with this semi-permanent dye hair color thing, L'Oreal thingamajigger. So let's see what's inside the box. That's all I have to say. A little scared. Just saying. Okay, so we got directions. Oh yes, pictures. The little expert little brush to make sure you get up there, but I'm not doing that. So I guess we really don't need that. We already have gloves because I knew they weren't going to come with any. It says so, but I don't see none. Okay. So this is what the little bottle looks like. You look sad. You look scared.
Me? I'm not sad. I'm not scared.
Okay, we'll come back after we read the directions. I found the gloves. They were in the directions. But I already know these are way too big for it. They come with a lot of gloves. Okay. There. They do come with gloves. Okay. Oh, that's Spanish. Come back in a second now. For real. So let's take my crazy hair down. I'm going to turn around so they can see what you have to do. Okay? Put your gloves on. Yeah, but these ones would be better than these huge ones for you. Because if you don't wear gloves, you're going to stain your hands.
I need your help putting the others on too.
There you go. Good job.
Good job.
Okay. And now she's gonna part it. Actually, I will. So she can get everything. Ow. Okay. So, got a bowl, little thing. We're gonna put a little bit at a time. Start with that much. Probably definitely gonna add more, but start with this much.
Why is it pink?
Girl, don't ask me. Here. My hair. Do you want to use this?
Yeah, I do want to.
Or is it gonna make it harder for you just to put on my hair?
I'll try that first.
Okay. We're on the top layer now. Yes. Oh, get it. Okay. I guess I'll come back to you when it's done. And, jeez. This is the last section that we have to do. She's trying to yank my hair out. Oh my gosh. Oh, that's cold. Okay, so she's done applying it. And now I'm just gonna wait 10 minutes because it says wait like 15 minutes, but I don't trust that. Whoa. So I'm gonna wait 10 minutes. Yeah. See ya when I wash my hair out. Okay, so I just got out of the shower, and that's what it looks like now. I'm about to blow dry it and straighten it so you guys can see what the finished result is. Okay, this is the finished product of my hair. I'm gonna go take you outside and show you what it looks like because it's really bad lighting. Okay. Ooh, ooh. That's what it looks like outside. It's really light pink. It's not bringing it up that well, but some pieces are a lot darker. Now we're gonna take some pictures for Instagram. Where should we take the pictures?
I want to.
On that wall?
Sure.
I was gonna say down there, but then it doesn't look as cute.
Yeah.
Maybe I might do a time lapse. Thanks for watching the video. Hope you liked it. Don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Send me pictures if you do it to your hair on Instagram at braylon.nichols. So yeah, always remember the 3 L's. Love people, live free, and laugh more. Bye!